Hi everyone, Anne Boundy from Said with Love, and today is the first day of December and we get to start opening these gorgeous, gorgeous presents from the Missouri Star Quilt Company Christmas box that Jenny curates each year. I've had it for a couple of years now and I've really enjoyed all the different goodies. There are some projects and some useful things and some notions and some things I've never seen before, so I cannot wait to see what's in here. So let's go for day one. So I've ordered these so that the 25th is down the bottom and one is up the top. I haven't opened anything yet, so I think I might have to just move that out of the way because it's a bit big. And this is number one. I don't know whether you watched my videos from last year, but I like having a guess. I'm usually pretty good, but last year Jenny, foiled me a few times. So this kind of feels like a book, like a novel or something. She did pop one of those in last time, but it could also be a kit of some sort. Here we go, day one. Oh, lovely stickers. Okay, let's see what is in day one. And if you're getting this, do check the bags because there were some little things in the different days' bags. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. This is Jenny's Scrappy Fabric Card Making Kit. Create 6 greeting cards and 6 gift card holders. So it feels like a book, but it isn't. So let me just take that off. This looks so cute. Oh my goodness gracious me. I'll hold some of these things up. So there's lots of different cards in different colours. There's envelopes, just plain white. And also some, what are they? Some different kind of, they've got little sticky bits on the back. It's not card, it's just but quite thick paper. I'm going to have to read the instructions, aren't I? And then there are these templates. I don't know whether you can see them. Here, let me put, no, that doesn't help. Maybe that will help. No, there's chuck and flowers and stars and possibly a reindeer and snowflake and birds and triangles and, oh my gosh, they just go on. Stocking and hat and snowman and more stockings and houses and gingerbread houses and presents. Oh my gosh, I've lost count of how many there are of these. So all those different stencils. The instructions. Jenny's Scrappy Fabric Card Making Kit. Oh, look at some of the cute little patterns that you can do. Let me have a bit of a read. So we're cutting some fabric, we're tracing and fusing and appliquing and adding different card inserts. That's what these sticky bits were to make a sort of a paper insert that you can actually write on. There are some cute little ones. Look at the Santa elf gnomey kind of thing. That's cute. So not all specifically Christmassy, but that looks a lot of fun. And this one, this is some card. I'm assuming this is for some of the smaller kind of little cards that you can make. Well, that was a super fun and very different little item for our first day. Oh, this other piece of paper. Sorry, forgot to tell you what that one is. It's just some fusible paper that you can use to fuse your fabric to things. So they've given us everything we need to do to be able to make some wonderful cards. I'm thinking that might be a fun thing to do with my great nephews. So day one, looking pretty good. Hi everyone, day 2 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company Advent Calendar, and oh my gosh, this box is so big. Some of these presents are huge. So what's going to be for day 2? Oh, day 2 is one of these cute boxes. Now, they've had boxes before in the previous years, but these boxes are super cute. They are, I'm assuming, replicas of the buildings in Hamilton, Quilt Town. I haven't been. I wish I could. So I'm thinking these boxes, once I've taken out the goodies inside, might be a lovely little decoration on one of our mantelpieces around the house. So, day 2. Ooh, I think it might be a tin of some sort. It's a little replica iron, but it is a tin. Oh my goodness, that is so cute, and there is something inside. So let me just take the handle off my iron. Oh, how cute. Oh, there's lots of things in here. Okay, first of all, there are some really cute. Let me just take out the plastic because that will just shine and be hard to see. Some really cute pins. There's a little mushroom, a little ladybug, an owl, a butterfly, and a little house. So they are really cute. There is also just lots of little goodies. So there's little bells, some little glittery kind of things, some really cute little ornaments, some tiny little beads, and then some of those longer kind of beads. Lots and lots of cute little ribbons. Lots of ribbons. Some super sweet little buttons. And a couple of chucks. Oh dear. So there's some little chucks. Got 3 of him. And they all came in that cutest little iron container, little tin. Sorry, I'm just putting everything back in there so that I can show you that tin again, because that is the cutest thing since sliced bread. So that is day 2. And day 3 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. Now, day three is huge and heavy. And it's another one of these gorgeous boxes. Batik Boutique, One Big Happy Yarn Company, the big mural that they have on the end of one of their walls. And as I said in my intro video, the retreat center, which is I want to go to so much. So, and it's heavy. It doesn't rattle, but it is heavy. I don't know. They did a fantastic Christmas ornament last year, but I don't think it's that. I think it's heavier than that. So let's just get into the something a bit different. Oh, and it's broken. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Oh my gosh, it's not just broken, it's shattered. Oh, that's such a pity. Okay, well, it's a set of nesting bowls, but the biggest one has shattered, and they are the cutest little things. So with the cute little quilt block designs in the middle. Oh, and they're actually cup measures. I hadn't seen that. So that's 1/4 of a cup measure. That's a little 1/2 a cup measure. This one's a 1/3 of a cup, 1/2 of a cup, and unfortunately the full cup is in multiple pieces, and it's the most beautiful color. I love their aqua things, and that's what my sewing room has, all that little aqua accents. So look, I might get in touch with them and see whether they have a replacement for me, but shipping to Australia could be a bit tough, but really, really cute. And as I said, something very different. Who would have thought of making quilty measuring cups? So wonderful, wonderful fun. I like the red one too. The red one's really cute too. I'm not sure that they'll be used in my kitchen. I'm thinking more they'll be used in my sewing spaces, places to put some pins or some wonder clips or something else. So that's a cute one. So that is day 3. Hi everyone. Still a little bit down after day 3. I'm so hoping I'll be able to get a replacement. I'll let you know in the comments below or the caption below whether by the time I'm putting this video out to the public, whether I've heard from them. So anyway, on to day 4. So let's find day 4. Day 4 is in this cute little candy cane. Ooh. I'm thinking there might be some fabric or something. It's quite a large piece. Let's go and see. They have very sticky labels. Oh, I might be right. Okay, just checking the bag for anything else. And it's a pattern called Welcome Home. And there's a panel that goes with it. So it's the Welcome Home fabric panel. And then you can use some assorted scraps to go with it. So, oh my goodness, look at this panel. Isn't that the cutest thing? So the panel has all the different doors, and look, you know, there's the cat waiting for you, or the puppy dog. There's the Christmas wreath, all the fun things. Snowman, Santa's at your door, plus a little bit of background fabric as well. So that looks like a bit of fun. It makes a wall hanging 39 inches square, and the rest of it you need 1¼ yards of background fabric, a little bit for binding, obviously for your backing. And I'm wondering whether they'll be selling this panel as time goes by. This is obviously being printed by them specifically for the box, and it's called Welcome Home by Missouri Star Quilt Co. So that's cute. I'm thinking that's something a bit different, and that's what I love about this box. She's always finding something just that little bit different. So that's going to be fun. Oh, I just saw the gnome one. That's cute. Home sweet gnome. Excellent. So that is what we're up to, day 4. Welcome back to day 5 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company unboxing of their advent calendar. I'm loving it so far, apart from that small little break, but you know, that's life. And considering how far the things have come, goodness knows. So let's get to the next day. So day 5 is another box. Ooh, wonder what's on this box. So it's got quilts handcrafted by Missouri Star Quilt Company. A house is not a home without a quilt. Oh, we all believe that, don't we? And on the other side, Hamilton Theatre. Didn't know they had a theatre. So let's get into this little box. Come on. Ooh. There's no instructions, but I actually have a pair of these already. And these are a way of holding your quilts up on your walls. So on the back is a little spot where you can put a screw through in your wall and hang this on there. And then you unscrew this a little bit to put your quilt wall hanging under there. Screw it down so that it holds it. And there you have a quilt hanging on your wall nice and neatly. So they're really handy. I don't have a lot of wall hangings, except for my Christmas one. And I've got some nice little tabs on that on my little advent calendar. So I haven't really tried these yet, but maybe now's the time. So that is a cool one. So that's day 5. Welcome back. Okay, day 6 of our calendar advent openings. Let's go and see what day 6 looks like. Oh, day 6, yes. Oh, this one feels interesting. Let's just get that out of the way. It's quite firm. Say there's a lid to it. Doesn't rattle. Let's get in. Haven't got a guess on this one. Jenny's been beating me. Ooh, okay, sticky up there. Oh. Well, I'm not actually. Oh, yes, I do. It's holds your rulers. Let me just get the little things out. I'm not 100% sure what the two little sticks are for. I'll put them in properly. There's 2 little holes at the front, so something to hold. I don't know, maybe some spools of thread might be a good option. But these are to hold some of your smaller kind of rulers, the ones that you're using regularly. And not sure what that little indent is for, maybe some pins or something. Let me just take those out. And on the back is the cutest quilt blocks and some rulers, inch markings, 5-inch markings. So that's kind of a handy little thing. Feels nice too. I love wood, so that's going to be interesting. I don't use a ruler stand. I actually have my rulers lying flat next to my cutting table, but maybe some of my smaller ones I should try that. Things like my block HST rulers or flying geese rulers or something like that I perhaps use not every day, but fairly regularly, regularly enough that it's a pain to get them out of the cupboard all the time. So maybe that's going to be what I use this for. So very, very cute. So let's open day 7, and this is going to be the last one for this week. You'll have to then wait for another week before I reveal all of them. Obviously, you can go and watch Jenny reveal each day as well. I just wanted to do my own little video as well. So let's find 7. 7 is another one of this cute Chuck wrapping paper. Ooh, this is a charm pack. Wonder which one. Last year, I think they actually had some specifically put together for their advent calendar. So, oh no, this is strawberry lemonade, which is lovely because I actually didn't keep any of this for myself. It's a beautiful collection by Sherry and Chelsea, and just lovely, lovely, lovely fresh colours. So that's nice because I haven't got one of these. Well, that's the end of the first week. I hope you can hang out for another week until I show you all of the rest of them. And yeah, look forward to showing you what's in next week's lot. And don't forget that if you like these videos and some of the other tutorials and things like that I do, please subscribe, please like them, pop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about the different things that I'm opening as the days go by, and talk to you soon.